Alright. Everyone else who is waiting for departure now, so that's United 1078 and back. So everyone else except the porter on the runway. We're now going to walk out of the building. They're setting up at the relocation site right now. They'll be calling you on the frequency shortly to continue operations. But for right now, we are going to be, after this last departure, we're going to stop. So if anyone wants to shut down engines again, please do so. I apologize for the start, stop, but, odd situation today.
About how long is shortly?
United 271, contact departure 119.2.
52, United 271, good sir.
They're inside the building. They're just hooking up the equipment and making sure that it's working. So it shouldn't be too long. Dashboard 2324, wind 310 at 18, gust 28, runway 2 Toronto Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
Safe takeoff, runway 22 right, via Whiskey, dashboard 2324, good day.
Tower, United 2404, I think I gave it a tail end of that message there. You said they're going to stop the departures for right now?
United 2404, yep. I'm about to step off the frequency. They're going to be opening it up at the relocation site shortly. I can't give you the exact time because I'm not entirely sure myself. And it may be a different frequency. I'm just finding that out.
Okay, so just sit tight. You don't know how long it's going to be, but we can shut them down if we need to.
And dashboard 2324, we'll head over to departure. Have a good day. Thanks for everything.
Unit dashboard 2324, contact departure. Tower over at the United Ram Tower. Do you hear me? Alright, over at the United Ram Tower, this is the control tower. I'm going to relinquish control to you. You have the frequency. Do you need anything before I step out? Okay, very good.
Apple White 22 right at Whiskey, United 1078. So tower for square wings 3146, you're rolling them again, so we'll just keep the engines running? Have United on 22 right, they're calling you tower.
We can't hear anything for United 131.
Okay, you can't hear. You want to relay for United Heavy? This is 3146. He says he can't hear you. Would you like us to relay cleared for takeoff on that aircraft? Heavy United on 22 right, full length. You are cleared for takeoff.
United 131 Heavy, clear for takeoff, 22 right, full length.
Heavy United just taking off 22 right, you are clear to switch over to 19-2.
Switch to tower, Citizen departure, United 131 Heavy 6.
Spirit, you got that?
Negative, we can't hear anything in this because there's a dead spot here. Can you relay?
Is that clear for takeoff for Spirit for their tower? Spirit on 3146, you're clear to take off 22 right.
Alright, clear for takeoff on 22 right, full length, Spirit wing. 3146, thanks for the relay.
363 Heavy is loud and clear.
Over this departure for Spirit 3146.
Alright, Spirit 3146, thanks. Good day.
Good day.
Full length, clear for takeoff, 22 right, United 363 Heavy.
Spirit 274, we hopefully improved our radio check out of here.
Loud and clear for Spirit 274.
Great, thanks. United 363 Heavy, contact your departure, safe flight.
Good day, United 363 Heavy.
Spirit 274, wind 32010, that's 19er, runway 22 right, full length, clear for takeoff, caution wind turbulence.
22 right, full length, clear for takeoff, Spirit 274.
Welcome back to Newark Tower, Medevac United 1508, ILS 22 left.
Medevac United 1508, Newark Tower, wind 320 at 10, gust 19er, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 22 left, Medevac United 1508.
And Medevac United 1508, how do you hear?
You're 3 by 3.
274, contact you, departure, stay flight.
Contact departure, Spirit 274, good day.
Tower, car 100, radio check, how do you hear?
Weak, barely readable, say call sign.
Port Authority, car 100.
Okay, Port Authority vehicle, you're weak but barely readable.
Roger that, weak and barely readable. I do have you loud and clear.
Newark Tower, Legion 1396, ILS 22 left. Tower, Legion 1396, ILS 22 left.
Tower, are you hearing the Allegiant on approach?
Newark Tower, Legion 1396.
Newark Tower, are you there?
Approach, Legion 1396. Tower is not responding off the 18-3. The aircraft underground is trying to call as well.
Legion 1396, roger. Legion 1396, approach clearance canceled, climb maintain 5,000.
Alright, climb maintain 5,000, and unless we get vectors straight ahead to come back into land, we got to go to Allentown.
Okay, plan Allentown.
Alright.
Breakout 3423.
3423, go ahead.
Okay, just checking. Looks like maybe we're not actually going to be able to take Newark arrivals right now. They're having a frequency issue. So I will get back to you here as soon as I get further details.
Alright, Breakout 3615, let's just plan Philadelphia. They're not answering anybody, so 3615, do not descend to 5,000, maintain 6,000 feet, turn left 040.
That's 040, we'll maintain 6,000. Breakout 3615, we need to go as soon as possible to Philly.
Breakout 3615, roger.
And Allegiant 1396, Newark Tower, you're clear to land on 162 left.
I think he went around.
Roger.
We lost you there for about 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, we had a radio issue. Allegiant 1396.
Spirit 986, stand by with me 1 sec, you might just be going around.
Roger 96, and we will try LaGuardia if it's possible after that.
Roger.
And number 4186, we need to go to Allentown.
Number 4186, Niagara approach, altimeter 2965, and you got planned radar vectors to Allentown.
965 vectors to Allentown, number 4186.
Spirit 986, sliding 220, vector around, climb maintain 5,000.
Alright, heading 220, 5,000, Spirit 986.
Spirit 986, do you have an alternate or you have fuel to go around again?
Well, we're gonna go probably LaGuardia if it's open.
Roger.
The reason for the go around?
There's no communication with the tower right now. They went to an alternate tower. There is no current communication, no frequencies available.
Tower, car 95, radio check.
Car 95, loud and clear on remain.
Loud and clear also, thanks.
United 2404, wind 320 on 10, that's 19er, runway 22 right at Whiskey, 5 takeoff.
22 rated Whiskey, clear for takeoff, United 2404.